In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make audio intros on Roblox on mobile. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. For this method, the first step is to open up your web browser and go to ttsmp3.com. In this website, you can type your name, and this website will allow to read your name and download it as an MP3 file. You can input anything you want in this text box and even select the accent or which voice you want it to be read as. Once you select which voice you want to use, you can try it first by selecting read, and then you can select download as MP3 below it. Once you download it as an MP3, what you have to do is use a video editor. Most phones nowadays have default video editors, but they are very limited in what you can do, so I recommend downloading another video editor either from the Play Store or the App Store, and the one I recommend is Filmora. It's a free app, and once you download it, you can make a new project and select a picture of your Roblox character by clicking New Project or clicking Photo at the right side. Select a picture of your character or whichever picture you want to use as your intro, and at the bottom of the screen, select Music. Within Music, click on Add Music and change the tab to My Music at the middle of the screen. Now, select From Device and allow the app to scan your device in order for you to find the file you just downloaded from TTS MP3. After you select the MP3 that you want to add to the picture, you can drag it around and control it as you want, as you can see here. You can add filters, add effects, record new audio, etc. I hope I was able to help you on how to make audio intros on Roblox on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.